In this section, I want to take a closer look at how Sonicare toothbrushes work. I'm Yasin, and this is the Animatic channel. Let's start with a brief look at the history of toothbrushes. Around 50,000 years ago, early humans used wood to brush their teeth. They used chewed sticks with soft fibers at the end to clean their teeth and gums. 10,000 to 3,000 years ago, humans used wood with animal hair and skin attached to the end to clean their teeth. Early 19th century, metal toothbrushes were mainly produced for the wealthy. These toothbrushes also used natural bristle. With the development of polymers and plastics, a variety of toothbrushes were made. However, using them properly requires time and effort, and they also generate plastic waste. The toothbrush we will examine is made by Philips. The Philips Sonicare uses a high-frequency oscillating mechanism in the brush head and claims that this mechanism is effective for cleaning teeth. The brush head is detachable, and each person can use their dedicated brush head. This model of electric toothbrush usually has a cover at the bottom that must be removed first to access the internal parts. By pressing the brush head shaft towards the cover, the parts can be removed from the plastic body. The toothbrush consists of two parts, mechanical and electrical. The electrical part includes an electromagnetic coil, a power source lithium battery, a spring along its length that prevents vibration transmission from the mechanical parts to the lower parts, and an electronic circuit board that handles all electrical commands and processing and rarely malfunctions. The mechanical part has a magnetic piece at the end that is a few millimeters away from the coils. When the toothbrush is turned on, the magnet moves in this way, and all the parts connected to it also move. The brush head shaft, magnet, and all connections are connected by a piece made of stainless steel. The coil 1 piece has two magnets opposite each other. Using an electric current, the poles of these magnets opposite the main magnet are rapidly switched. This switching causes the like poles to slip and create this movement. To better understand this mechanism, we use a horseshoe magnet here instead of a coil 1 magnet and a rectangular magnet in front of it. If the poles of this horseshoe magnet are repeatedly reversed, this movement is created. Now, let's look at some common problems with these toothbrushes that can be repaired. The most common problem is the loosening of this screw due to vibration over time, which can be easily fixed by tightening it. The breakage of this piece, which is made of sheet metal, is also possible if the brush head hits the ground. In this case, the piece must be purchased and replaced. The last issue is the sticking and the reduction of the gap between these two magnets. By unscrewing the end of the electromagnetic coil piece and moving the piece back, a gap of about 4 mm must be created for the toothbrush to work properly. If you like this video, to support us, like the video and subscribe to the channel.